Hi, Patriots. Mr. Short here. I want to welcome you to Kings Mountain Middle School this year. If you are a new 7th grade student coming over from the intermediate school or from somewhere else, I want to welcome you. If you're a returning 8th grader, welcome back. We're excited to have each and every one of you back on campus and excited for a new school year. Again, I'm Mr. Short, and you will be in my computer science discovery class this year. Okay, so in order for me to give you some information about the class and tell you a little bit about myself, we're going to go to my classroom website in order to do that. So what we're going to do, we're on the Kings Mountain Middle School homepage right now. So in order to get to my classroom website, we're going to go to Contact Us. And you can click on 7th or 8th grade because my classroom website's in both of those. We're just going to click on 7th grade today. And we're going to scroll down to the bottom. We're going to come down here to where it says Arts and CTE and click on Computer Science Shane Short website. Okay, and this is going to bring up my website. Okay, this is the home page, Mr. Short's Computer Science Discoveries. And if you notice on the home page, there's a video there called Code Stars. And this is just a brief video where you can learn about some more famous people that have their lives have been impacted by computer coding. Okay, it's a really good video. All right, click over here about where it says About Mr. Short, and it's just a little bit of information about me. It tells you that my name's Shane Short again. I teach computer science discoveries here at Kings Mountain Middle School. I'm a U.S. Navy veteran. I received my bachelor's degree from Limestone College and my MBA from Liberty University. I coach wrestling and football at Kings Mountain High School, and in my spare time I enjoy spending time vacationing with my family. I like to cook. I like to try new foods. So that's just a little bit about me. All right, so what is computer science discovery, you may be wondering. You may see this on your schedule and not really exactly know what computer science discovery is. You may think it's computer programming. Some people see the word science and think it's like biology or some type of earth science. But what computer science discoveries is an introductory computer science course. Okay, it empowers students to create authentic artifacts and engage with computer science as a way for creativity, communication, problem solving, and fun. This class is designed with equity in mind, and what that means is this class is designed for everyone. It doesn't matter your background or your experience. This is an introductory course to computer science that really is a good class for everyone. Okay, and in this class we focus on creating games, creating websites. We want to have fun, and we want to learn together this year in computer science computer science discoveries. And there's a little video down here at the bottom of this page. It gives you a little bit more information about what computer science discoveries actually is. All right, we're going to go over my syllabus real quick. All right, my syllabus, right here at the top in blue, it says esshort@clevelandcountyschools.org. That's my email address, and that is a good way for you to get in touch with me. If you have any questions or just need some help with an assignment, or if you're a parent and you have some questions about the class or just need to chat with me for anything, just shoot me an email, and I will try my best to get back to you within 24 hours. As soon as I possibly can, I will get back in touch with you, okay? So why computer science? I believe all students should have the opportunity to learn computer science. The basics of computer science help nurture creativity and problem-solving skills and prepare students for a future in any field or career. Multimedia and game discoveries is a part of computer science discovery curriculum. This class is an introductory computer science course that empowers students to create authentic artifacts and create and engage with computer science as a medium for creativity, communication, problem solving, and fun. All right, so you're going to have 3 units this year in my class in computer science discoveries. The first unit is problem solving and computing. And that's really where we break down the problem-solving process and we begin to understand how we can use computers as a way to help us solve problems on a daily basis. Unit 2 is web development. This is the part of the class where you're actually going to use HTML to create your very own website. Okay? And Unit 3 is interactive animation and games. In Unit 3, you'll build on your coding experience as you program animation, interactive art, and games in the Game Lab. All right, so the required materials for my class. I'm going to need you to have a loose leaf notebook paper, a pencil, an AR book should be with you every day when you're in class, whenever we do begin to issue out those AR books. You should always have your time tracker with you, and I'm asking for you guys to bring your own earbuds to class this year, okay? You can go I know you can get them at the Dollar Tree. Walmart has them for just a couple bucks. Just try and grab you your own earbuds. That way we're not using the same earbuds and having to swap those back and forth, okay? If you have a question, if you need some earbuds, need some help, just let me know, all right? So the rules and procedures for Mr. Short's Computer Science Discovery class. The first one is be on time, seated with materials, okay? That's pretty self-explanatory. Just be on time, seated with materials. Number 2, follow technology lab procedures, okay? And we'll go over those in class when you get to class. And primarily the technology lab procedures, it basically comes down to don't really start using any of the module equipment unless you're told to do so. There's a lot of different equipment in the classroom, and we're not going to use those until we begin to work in each one of those modules. All right. Number 3, stay on task. Number 4, and I think this is probably the most important one, and if you do number 4, then probably the rest of them are going to take care of themselves. But number 4, respect all your peers, teachers, and equipment. Number 5, don't be on the internet, don't be on your computers without being instructed to do so, okay? There's going to be times that we're going to be online, we're going to be using co.org as we navigate through the course, but let's make sure that we're not online unless we're told to do so. Grading. Assignments will be assigned a point value in my class. For example, class participation is worth 10 points. Your course grade will be calculated based on the number of points each assignment is worth and the student's average score for those assignments. Typically, all assignments in my class will be scored on a 10-point scale. However, sometimes if there's a quiz and that quiz has 13 questions in it, then that assignment will be worth 13 points, for example. Let's see. My attendance and makeup policy. It is vital that you're present, seated, or if you happen to be home for whatever reason, you can log on to my class through Canvas, but it is important that you're in class present every day. It is your responsibility to make up assignments for missed work. So what I mean by that when I say it's your responsibility to make up assignments, of course when you're out, I'm going to let you know what you missed. But you need to come to me when you come to class. When you come back to class, say, hey, Mr. Short, what did I miss yesterday? Or Friday when I was out. That way, you make sure that you're getting the information that you need to make sure that you are staying caught up in class. I will do my very best to make sure that you have what you need, but you take some responsibility and make sure you come and ask me when you come back to class what you missed, and I will be happy to get that to you. All right? Okay, so there's the syllabus. And then if you navigate over here, you will see Unit 1. It's just a further breakdown of Unit 1, Unit 2, and Unit 3. All right, so that is the breakdown of my website. Parents, if you have any questions at all, please feel free to reach out to me. Again, my email is esshort@clevelandcountyschools.org. Shoot me an email if you have any questions. Students, I'm excited to have you. I look forward to seeing you in class. And I hope it's going to be a wonderful year. As always, if you have any questions, please just shoot me an email. I will see you in class on Monday. Thank you and have a good day.